Yum. Na Ghana on. Yensua deal. As a nation, we don't learn. In 2023, for Fankof for the other Tosumami, there have been so many collapse of buildings on. Ghana, you'll see that our men have the zeal, the power, the passion. But the truth of the matter is say, aside the zeal, aside the power, ye need machines or what rescue team a use. And the Ghana power about rescue team. Yan share any view. Fire for ya Naija. Almost was the assumes I rescue count no maba. Not more fun crowd the umba mim the umbe. Not more. The umba blanket near you. Umba manage situation. So you cannot rely on Nadmo. Ghana Police Service bar. What the other say about the rest about 4 more chrono near their dinner and to quadness and your man in sea. Ghana forces so mena. Sa regimental for the beer. Omo a bit of called Jamaica Cobu Muna. Or Sako for so technically Omoya dear umbo. But fire service for Nankas equipment, Mr. Drew baby, Kotokro near deep dine. Ye deep car, Kotokro. Chezekua Homanaso, senior journalist Chezekua Homanaso, and I'll pay ye in Quabo. Cheche, I am from Marche. Chezeku. Chezeku, I'll party I come marching. Meto kana toboka kramame. Na yanke kan weni si achire na. Yemfa weni hye animu na afei. Yenhu de. Jada kuti aka.
Meto nka bema, wo se menka.
No pe ma che.
Ya bema.
Da enwama mte sai.
Adum ni ahwe yi da bi. Meka se mi se Kumase Brono ba ko amate ye me dey den nyame. So no ana no pe mi dan no.
Abra ahe fan kasana. Issue this year, the Bram ko idea na wo go wuru wani so.
Ade Akye Nkwantabisa. Enra na ye nim se ye kwasiada. Eye asori no eko asori. Na enra enwumire ebo beye enwumire no num na enyane nte se eye story building bia yesusu se nkofo bia ya asori ewum edan no adwiri ewo New Town eno ewo eye enkran ga anase ayawa so central abatwa so abatwa mpeswa so sare hu semwe esi mami papa
na chise hono ye ayawa so central abeboa
you ayawa so central
na sa particular building no eho ye den the landmark ye den sorry school eho ye hin
Ade Akye Nkwantabisa ade ba ko a edan no esi honom a ye betimi akasa de afa ho ni se eye school dan a get fund ena omudi tika be wura mu amupeja sa dan no edisi honom ebra na mampani dada Yera John Sisi Evans Atamot onyankopon fa ne kran sie wono ana peja eden edisi honom a enam soa abanya ko abanya ba nanso omuntimi wie edan ne da se sa me ka se edan no ene ejuri ababe ya rehosem kese ewo eye New Town aha sei
na edan no say uncompleted o ana
sentina ye chese edan ne nya dan ya ye dan mu a ye betima ka se ye si dan ne wie ya commission ye yi ense firi ho nti ye dia ma eye wo mo e wo so mo sum baby education e dia ma eye education for na fi o ma sum na ja o mo de di omunwuma sai bi ne tie
de tia bi busa sa ne se yara mills a pen so ne share dan ase mills akọ Mahama part 1 Akufo Ado 1 and 2 and then we have John Dramani Mahama up to now over the years and then I get fancy case ya mama fra na yenya nwie ya then what it say amana achesa
Nkwantabisa we kura den nse dan nya asem o se enu nyina etwetwe asem wo ho nimu eye boni Ghana ya mamu ni amamra no ntifatie se ye diduma sumbi ese bia ye diduma die ni wie abanfoforo ni ho na kofo ba wo se kwan ofato betimi fato aso no be pepepe na Indian thing kasa wo ho bebi sa
da bia betima kasa cheche kutra se wo hwe ba bia this particular one sina esi krom finfine o so wo hwe press before signboard finish way cheche
Nkwantabisa brabio mami
kacha abaya anse onya o hawo mese so wo hwe ba bia press be signboard you see na hwe ba bia kroewa na se we de wo krom finfine pa o
ewo kroni fifi na mbiaye bia ehonomo se ye ka se describe wonomo na enheda anya yira kwan because this particular school experimental JHS 1 and 2 experimental JHS 1 and 2 ye dikan ebo ho amane no school bi amanfo atempotem won ni se enimu pa ntino we na ekokoba asa no na akwakoye bibibia ha adwene kakra nteno na man nam so a ye betumi aka wo ho sem kakra because
school day akaba ha adwene pa o
eno ni ade a ye da nyame ase wo ho se sanka ye na nke kokoye edemu school nyina no nkwala ni ba school dia no kure na nka ye nti asempa
na rescue team de by net say
eno ni ade a wo se ye bo eye abambofo na baso because ade we see ye fiti enra anadwena betu sabri abambofo ai wa ha sei asojafo eka ho bie na afensu no eye aposifo eka ho bie nadmo wonyina nso eka ho bie nti but anu anadwo se ye fi anu se no na Ghana Armed Forces astrafo eni abambofo ni nyina wa ha no se abetu sabri no wo mu entimi enkoya omutoa omunyuma eso
so aya na yese commitment in bia ho personal se ne beba na so ba bedru machine kura bia ye de be sha ha awura ha ano so da akwa atwe kakra na
Nkwantabisa enu adien abra arawusem esi ye no timemufo na ankasa bi ebom homodin try so metie yi amanfo ni bi brempo a abambofo ni nam kwanso a wo mo eba nti omo ba ye no enu ana metumi akase eboa o kakra mo mutumi hu se asori dan no anase school dan ne muso enti no omo ya asori a menye so mo ba ya asori afo mu nyina looking at some numbers a ekuta wo mo no enti no omo timi identify say nipa domini bebre na no ewo anafo ewunya se wo so mo ko etifi ekofi asie free ho na wo so mo ba anafo no mu dikan ene eye wo mu a obo ya ho no mu edi nkomo no mo hwe ko betu na faso mbeyi nipa ni bebre na efuna no ni ade ebu aye sanke siye ena timemufo ni bien tia identify we say nipa domini bebre na no mo anafo ena omo ko ena nkomo ko fi asefi etifi a nka menya sure say better asem because excavator eba ya omo de ba be di djuma son no e wo bia ha no mu sei no eye excavator eno no enso etimi eboa yi nipa ni bebre na efri eye arawusem we mu nti enye nwanwa say rescue team no etimi bo mo homodin a at the end of the day nipa 3 ani esusi say wato anana mo nsiede no which say yebebo mabaso oma ya ade anesa say si ye na nke ebia omutimi emom ho ye ha kamenya so say bia nipa mi but eye abanso to aso mi ensa na fe ejiri say ni de say ye ka say nipa dodo say ni wom na mu mi ensa ana to anana mo nsiede do de na che say o mine na wo say ede nyame ase
that just a down floor no mo foundation no mo ya sorry room down floor ho na na say
me pa cha down floor no mo ya sorry room
ya yanti asa sofo na to sa de tie
sofo ne kan wo mu a o mu di kan efinu ifitiase no nipa baako ebewi eche nipa mienu ena no pei baako e kan obi a o mu so waba bɛyɛ mmiɛnsa
assistance na what may you mean na
make I say deɛ ɔmo awie ɔmo operation ɔmo awie ɔmo dwumadie nyinaa ama se sei no deɛ ɛyɛ ha no se na ba bɛyɛ security zone nti asrafo nko ana wa wote sɛ na me kasa na me ne ɔsrɛ ni baako na ɛkasa ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtumi examine wo make sure sɛ wofi credible media house ɛne nkɔyɛ te sɛ media house biara nti ɔte sɛ me ne ɔkasa no ɛna ɔkyerɛ sɛ neɛ menwie m'adwuma
mo gata nse wahun die ye fikasie mu fresh ade a woso ote ase
ere makata no
da wo senior cheche gugira wa ede be da wo hwehwe eti sambre ohwa fire service for no timi ba hobi
fire service die fiti enra eno mo ba ha isan se bia na nkasa no ene circle enwa.
Okay.
And a second, so one of the attendants ni bi wo ho. Na when cramp na ba say no, ambulance awro a efi closer constituency so mu nyina ba say ba beboa ye no. No kranie, o ma yade we de ye mo ma ba so. Se o man ni nyina timi boa ama bambo nsem etimi ama no hom ne so akọ nanim say ya. Automatically send it bia no. Menya sure to rent them do a ya na esie ene ya fire service for mo ma ombeba ne na ne besie no se ni omo ye to aso se ya dia Nkwantabisa menya sure se wo man Ghana a ye timi sesie no ye betimi de ensesie bo je se akade a ye woni na eno so sanse no abrade we siye eye enyumre no num a ye su se si ya bepem ene ahemachin a omutimi wie ya kwesi broni betimi ayusu machine bi ama wetimi ede lifting blocks akese no ede from na so kakra o man no yewo enso eno no
ya se for man bi buy o mo pam no ati se o su o baby se no ba o ma pam ne sa abonji ora ko ni
Nkwantabisa no kre na ne etie nie on se ebra atrenche ni siye no abambofo ani abre womo a womo hwe aboa toto niema ye yi nipa nkwan nya amanyosam ne be ye wo enti se ekona ekokoba se no mo chew se ye nimu se wo ye former MP enti no twintwan wo so ansa enu eni kasa bambofo ni bi ni kan ya wante ase a wonu ni susu se omo yi ne frim ezan se ebra wo ba ye kura no na woni eye MP no ankasa na edi nkomo inti no we ni nya ade bia impo otimi efa no two personal enkwa na ahwere nipa na ewu enye se yi omukura wie na waba wo eya ade a omugusu eye inti ni se woba no ma cho se no kure wo ye former MP inti no nya ntuboase twentwe ho so ase ya eno ni nche se bia ye because service bia ma kwan kura wontimi mpo nkopegya one blocks inti na eno ni ade a exactly wontimi nsu ntu excavator na eba ni say na omo ye expert even kura no abambofo mo ba ni nyina no enye omo hyeda ni mu expert bebre no ye hyeda mo men ni esi ye no omo a omo kuta expert omo woni bi o betimi afasto rescue nipa se ko ye wo bia sa de anka minya be wie no anka ye nti asempa because nipa over 20 na nipa miensa na etimi ahwere omo nkwa ewo ni esi mu dia efe bi ni ye dia sida ne be manyame
na se MP gina na MP gina na MP so me adwuma bi amam na gina na 4 months so mapam me dia se so areho bebo
Nkwantabisa wo se Ghana o man na yetim na nkata no enti de kwesi broni die ye de bibia ya amanyosem nti efo na ekokobasa e ka gini bon se ye yi amanyosem fi atwenchema wo bro bebre na esi na yehu ni se atuko ti betima to pramia why not but edia wonu ni tie mu hu ni se abana atsa no nti anenam so a ema wo mu eye bibi ti etia no but ni nyina mu no eyo man ni yi
ala pema ya na asepa churches nyame bo a memenda ene yo wedding pa na ugumu bo adwuma se die nyame shapa no nyo kese
Nkwantabisa medase na nta me for me fa konya nsumi na Ghana for womu a womutie Sompa TV Sompa FM owo ye affiliate nyina se enu na ye ma woda woni se esanso ye pram standing nti no ɛkɔ ne kɔkɔba ne fia na yɛ ni bi nti aseda ɛna ne de bɛma nyankopɔn ne bi nso aka wɔ ɛsan sɛ nnura ɛnam ofos ɛne agyafo ɛne afoforɔ mpanimfoɔ bi ɛka ho ɛde sa prince boa tataboa se ɛne ɛyɛ sompa aka ne sale in fact nnura mo ma m'ani gye paa mahu sɛ maba fie medam ase
ya so ya da ase paa mo ni adwuma oni ejina ne ebaba ho sem sacrifice fa so ni free you know ne baba. All right, so that is Yansen Treni upon Checheku or yan parliamentary correspondent. Tianra DSC wana minister former MP Henry Kwete Bejina Hona osu se o mapam ne sa aponche. Na yase papa yi odu on mo ni MP kwa akodi gobo den ye ojira oda you know ke ka shegbe oyu ado o chacha say hana ara wo ya sare boa o say na odi MP akra e so jira wa na ari small boy ba ko ga ora wo power is transient ora wo pebe bi ne ko jira da ahane nye ye no ne no ha pebe bi ne ko jira ye ni abere wate ba person hwa ne form pa di o so wa pa na okay yaso o ma pam ne se onko pebe bi ko jina then you dey ni wo namwa na media for su bi ha adwen obi ko bi say na arabo na dey ada say efifire tewa ase wani nyina ha ekoko wani nyina ha ekoko ro se bi nyina ha ba se ade yi ba be ye do be former MP menim say o admit say onya technical person ba ye nyina ba bi efe salo gayo ye nyina ba bi efe enti e be gyina na se ye ya se nka efe da mo ma pam ai Kwete na mama honorable gyina mama current MP ma pam former na current gyina wa se de raba hu ana wa pa enya na ni hu hantwo e de obende odi media phone di ko bo wi ya oh da fi ave ka se to be oh se to me free unsa ya bi aka cham so mo fa buo matima fo am gas agro ni edi se to me pa free unsa ara wo enti era Henry Kwete kafra oso mapam ne pa oh on kafra my mini honorable George Odro or your former deputy agric minister honorable anapai mache
me josu minya
na pom to say
nyamiadum bia ekaba mo to say
honorable adom kakra heguso
good
honorable here you say more time no crowd there na planting for food and job I feel craba planting for food and export about planting for food and export say be export and all that buy was grow Ghana da o hwe ekwan o mo peso mo de fa so a me mom de me hye dan hu nsusia bia bebresa but o mo so kire say ye be ama yankasa ye chima nya nnuane wo Ghana recently so o hwe abokina fo e ka se ntosu krombe ya mefa bi as ato ya bese no o hwe sa grow Ghana in the vision for us as a nation ayan agric consumer or about to kire say na hu no
you really made out so me ben che on a watch for oh say you know one of done I'm so we a few more say amamu no I am say I am your company kasa noa yen janoa agric say we are working agric minister na say na the tree no also only project bi ba only your friend and kokon kete Ede agric minister say enkukon kete no ono onim ho be na wo obeye agric livestock is under the Ministry of Food and Agriculture. That's a livestock production. Any agric minister any more here. Na amamubi no mubi. Eye tata ede ne fanfe kwa na mehunu se ebe Ghana for do go na epe wo lifestyle no da fanfe tata no mo ye no eno na mze bia omo ya Ghana for no omo so manage na nwanwa said go concentrate a livestock project. Now Minister of Food and Agriculture, Minister Nanu the only more. The Uber now go for the time. Near Vinny.
Why go focus on him go concentrate away?
On to your home. And they be that.
Now, so hold on, launching.
And I'm say, I was all there. So the more call and the friend. But I'm going to get or see all your presidency. Now, no. Ni teacher, ni crime passport, yes, crack, who no at the table. We need more. I want to hear, I need a second.
Yeah,
tomorrow come. Then a year check for Kono. Because my own Minister of Food and Agriculture, the Yebida, last of production, as it said, a cocoa and my poultry farmers. No, and cocoa tell you from 1,000 echo, we minimum beer, when you are 3, minimum 2, when you are 50. Now, whether for domestic consumption, and now say Nipano, or setting up as a business. Nasana, you're born Nipa, and I say a year, Ube boost agriculture, say the whole cafe, on the feed gun or whatever. Now, for the time, no. Near we been from the planting for food and job. 9%, yeah, a beer, no. The team DDA food. If you buy, no. First one was a brew. A brew, no, not the fact of the said, you produce a brew any soya bean. Near the amount 40 farmers. Because over 40 farmers are. Among components, you know, a how much you buy feeding, you know. And a broadly soybean contribute between 70 to 80% of feeding. You know. So the basic one, the primary production plan was to produce a broadly soybean near them 40 farmers, you know, what you have produced on now, the account so yeti. It's a brew, the consumption rate for the year, now 1.5 to 1.6 million metric tons a year. It's another planting for food and job in the market. If the brew production, a cocoa grew over 3 million. So go so good, you be self-sufficient, a brew production. At a number to clear, meaning South Libya, a brew bar, but say, Wakina for ne, Mali for no, Fa, a brew, war, no fooling in the court. There was in the need of every day. Over rice production. Rice, you move rice production from 30% to about 56% of our yearly consumption. I go so an airport and about to buy a year. You see, also good for tourism. What they check it? Ghana, who get the boarding power? Ghana, the boarding power. Fast food, you're moving. Restaurant, you also pay fried rice and chicken. I'll be Jano. The series that 50, 60, 70. Momo type on the crowd, there be a momo walk on the be 150. Some of the Jamu and paying for. The be any number be 50 60. Now,
I was at the age our preference, so.
David, hey, what a woman.
Now, move on, you know.
December year, Chamu year. Oh, sir. Nana Kufuor time no. Year of return. That December programs are no more year. Now we chief for no bapa. If you move back, no much about the time fee because maybe now for you. I can tell you for a fact that this December year Chamu year. Mobile. In him so soon in the year busa. They were complaining bitterly. The one in your boarding. Who tells bonus to Akosro. Oh dear, me and me pay a say, me can't be a member say, the meaning 18. Coming this December, who they won't check it, Nipana Soviet. Or December, Nipana Sote. Said ye and I become no more yen. And call last December, in the tourism, no, meaning to be a one more who said, no, set enough programs, Missy Cotton. They say, I saw it. And all the money for there. A Mompire, no more thing in Pija. Now a coffee and I think go. The inflows and I say foreign exchange in free tourism. A back of them. It's a new and numbers of mere corrections there. and the engine found by one town. Now, the near man at Capono, a union, the same as a hotel, some number so many Pija tourism money. One more style your money, baby, and what? I don't mean him quite glasses. Because this is me a little testimony. I won't call on a buyer, no, maybe shy, if you bet some fee.
Ah, a bim better now fear because of her command.
Oh, Debbie. That was because you're pretend.
Okay.
Maybe or landing.
Oh, okay.
Mobile no one now for now ever. And mobile, they were complaining, sir. Previously, there are no mobile, and it is a mobile difference room with regards to any board, any Uber fare at a Nema Kosoro as compared to years back. And I'll say abundance of boost to tourism. And I mean, Mount, the American. December year, buying.
When they say, come back, I say declining because I did be aware. I not early day rational. Oh, calling Prenway, Tobia Winyan said, the Onyano beginning. No,
yeah, me, I'm an alphabet. Or you meet crowd to Pokwari. Your friend of President on the day in charge of tourism. Papa, we have the number of man. Number friend. Every year on, every year be a name increasing. Every year be a increase. Just last year, I had a decline. I'm remember on my friend, I'm on the data. And I make out that me still say, almost who said, at the end of the year, say, almost only year, for the every time we year no. Until they be a person or more year, and I'm year be boost. And I make out that the time or more year, dear, you can afford, or money year near. You find for one time, what you know, what you pay. MPP time, say me see, and I say, and trust up. That I'm better.
Now, will you say, sir, planting for food and jobs a choke success?
Sure. From 1998 up to 1st March till ending of March 2018. From that time, every year, Biana Ghana, they import maize, feed Brazil, and other countries. The end of March 2018, Anna Guardian Sukaye, because Udia Obeka Ediane, a brew, Abagana, now over permit, or Minister of Food and Agriculture. There are so many permits all around. By March ending 2018, Minister never ever issued one permit for even one grade from 2018 up to 2024. I have PPDC Abem. Matite, to buy almost start to SI issues after the importation. Me, we, then the meeting in company. But the percentage shows that a year successful because from March ending 2018 up to the year 2024, nobody, and I insist, nobody ever got permit or Ghana or they crack a blue Abaha. But before near Babemono, not your cable. I have all those data. And every time more from here, come and gather data to see that the figures in amount. And I'm impressed with moving to a castle. It's a very successful far.
Wow. Now, the recent happening between Ghana and Burkina about tomatoes, you have been there before. And then I won't say years of mine. Now we have to depend also your Burkina Faso and all that. Yenim say, and we are able to say tomatoes so dear. And ya dia would drink a check crans and aba.
I won't say Ghana, I know. You're planting season, you know. So the northern sector and the southern sector. So back at 2019, and there, me and Kasankasa, I led the delegation. And name was in Nema music. You walk over from Tomato Seeders and Transporters Association. Almost chairman and first chairman to Okukumati. Me, not a man of Kobokina, Akofa Tomato. Tomudru, percent, couldn't be a chaka. Almost blocky road. was all over the news. Almost blocky roads, almost my man and go.
Yeah.
Now almost two tomatoes in it. So a year giddy. It is me and I'm fair. Tomatoes Traders and Transporters Association, almost chairman and almost secretary of Antiapoli. And they brought 9 executives from the association. The enemy lead you almost. I don't call that could do so. Now, many almost any farmers, is here. Will be a kind of problem. The traffic is resolved here. Robert Kaya, since then, that tomato problem will be a thing build that. You see, now say, yeah, problem, my bay. It was a association you're making. I might engage you almost every many engage you almost. And we are 1. And the 2, a year irrigation. I will planted areas, As I say, go so good. Yenyan could first na ye akoma doka se tomatoes of Ghana will be able to akoma nine. But as I say, pretend kita, in fact, kita, omudia tomatoes for Asante Achima Gogo, Munja Beka. Yenyan more areas are Goma soil test, and was a whole dia tomato a ye. Or some buying a man and you caught the areas from the development. Now, yes, I never knew that problem na becha.
So the problem you want to obeka say irrigation.
1 irrigation. 2 omo ye adwuma no. O se Ghana no. Ana ye seta regarding omo ye adwuma no. A mistake e wo man pa. Transport tomato traders and transporters association.
Yeah.
In fact, me engage you omo na mu se adwuma mo ye no. Di mu pa. Because omo data, omo says, and this month, you 2 of a 10, the following month, you 2 agogo, the following month, you 2 Akumadai, the following month, you 2 Kita. The dominant farmers in Shahu. In Libya, and then we some have this party truck versus 20 at the core for 10. Next week, one this party trucks 30, normally core Kita. The transporters and 3 days, almost so a good nice one. A duty for the first time, a chairman, any man, and Antiapoli, me really feel it did about the pennies are on a young secretary. And what I said, Ubia Ghana, a baby, my HCR woman, said a frail mobile officer, a transit being common with your problem near you. What if you are the chairman number best I know? No problem be there too. As a sense, I could ye Jumano. A buy man and you call. So, maybe Omunia issue be not cost some for near day our more council. And was a minister of faith and more letter. Be did one call. Oh, some year to my book or problem is to be a agency or Macrum. It was said. Say irrigation production in back. Next one year wage ya many and come. Don't forget, tomatoes are perishable goods.
Yeah.
It even lasts for more than 1 month. It is almost a year to man and buy many and come most of the AGG woman. Nothing. Production we irrigation whatever by production increase. Now almost a year to man transporters. You need and come one, the baby. The whole value chain and also a buyman and me.
However, for 10 okay, I am told, reliably informed, sir. A Drew Baby Crown, 1 district, 1 factory, almost set say back or I be produce tomato PWB, and I said tomato paste. A Drew Baby Crown industry, no, any raw material to feed the industry, the factory itself. And if a 10 I'm yes successful, said the year canon.
A year successful because me any work Ghana for it will be a issue by a different. That for 10 factory no see me call 2 times. Mind you that me any share. No more year baby the exam band for I was part of it. Omoji as a young town for say I don't know the Belgium. Now this is the problem how it started. Yeah, just as even before production, and the farmers in the Qatar, 1 acre bia ye ma material ko bia say what here e ma but 10 cities atam town the acre and I said 10 cities a kilo at Sassy at Sassy Jumana the dog food na buy ya yes no after the also here only CD factory no now agreement na any farmers live here you know and I do a farmers live here say what here 10 cities the attack here your calculation the whole cost of production all margins in it you know now near money buy na fit here agreement I say will be at 10 cents per kilo no name example you at the time price of no can after the farmers will say and then when start to say banner always a faction in here no obviously there be 10 cents there no can here you it wasn't 10 cents for example now me the amount obviously any view only view say because of multi the basic factory you not trust yeah plan at the next 5 years say the adequate as we want say not this transported traders association became or money the trucks city outside a barber store tomatoes no I increase the price now factory no and no more shares here and don't forget the price there being the shares here and sana used to factory because before factory no in fact any financial institution they are grab amount shikama the arrangement they ask you for your own picker and the source of your raw material. So, it is from day one, as I size, you say, it is 20 hectares. Machine that would production, and they produce 20 tons an hour. How many can you produce to see the factory to produce 20 tons an hour? When you will be waiting now, as I don't start here, Giovanni. No, who say, among your money be bedroom, meaning so we are almost start here, Giovanni. After going forward, you know. Now, farmers in this our problem we buy. It's what they said that all raw material. This is the reason why. Now, sometimes no, energy done and yet the people. And as I mean, no one that's the idea share and very different. Would you share from day one? This is how I but going forward, you know. And I'm near America say, and then I'm an old say, Ghana for you should be. Do baby, I don't quit.
Alright, I think that back also I am a big shot. I need him said or shall say all kinds say you what the northern the seasons, you know, or called northern for more young ba southern so southern for so young queen. I said anka yebenya continuous farming. And the vision of certain president Akufo-Addo was said, yen set up this Pualugu Dam. One of the things that now you believe says and Kamutimi set up ka Greek, especially products are a free northern region ba kebetimi a solve issue power. With that, you know, would you say, sir, a honor somewhere in your year you failed us?
Oh, still no, maybe some percentage there too, but I never be any years in the Sobekaya. NDC campaign message. Omudi tia MPP back on the Pualugu Dam. The tia was it 14 million or so? $14 million. You may be there. Now, many are going to again. The way project is a Pualugu Dam. Oh, say, Mema, what's that? President Mahama saw Baba, express will be from Accra to Kumasi. Such big project, maybe to Makajo for the whole 1 year. I'm going to pick a square more for me. I make a show. It's a Pualugu Dam. We just know. And stand up consultant, edit design near the Ebebana. And what will take you about 2 years. So we need to do feasibility studies in answer. Dam now Pualugu Kasiepa and a dam oh yeah, you your mechanical and your gravity. And gravity is a young pump issue. Issue na be nante boko e dia ko dem enum and a mechanical so be o ho a escope efro it is a more pump issue and those things now we are be taking more than 2 years even more than 2 I don't know what mean here it you almost yes ati ade ntemu Sanima winning question. And only consultancy fee back and forth ne. She's your mutia and it's for the year campaign there. Uncle man said for the at the $14 million. What brand you may be behind there, Uncle. It was an ongoing project. Our consultants near the office. But there was component not a bit provided solar. And up boil electricity consumption up north. Nancy has over energy minister or interview or can say or Tata $1 what is that sorry now? It's a more who said Nana Kufuado are buying MPP. A year Juma staying at Juma Diana a ball man. And you may be a while, and you're 1 month, and you're 2 months, and you're 3 months of them. It is years, and some of the feasibility studies now. Every crowd being the blueprints that Jumano every take you off. And what they 2-3 years. And I remember example said, there's a mama that expert was over here. Make me a catch say a whole year, what is our problem from that? I see I said, over here feasibility studies, my was and Sana, what I say, Jumano. It's a farm baby, you know. Well, look at that, so I can make me say. Starting in 2017 and now 2018 more than a good 3 years. But you're starting, I think, somewhere 2023, 24, 22, oh baby. And don't forget, Ghana, a good part of time, you know, about 1.5 years, you know, Shiguya, or man came standstill, you COVID, you know. So, you may be a console, and you're Ghana, and the whole world, the beer came to a standstill. Sikasem, Jumasem, it took coming in our boomer. A man here, the idea to go about the political dam. You start here, and that's our problem. The COVID, no money, Sikasem, I'm a engineer, new baby, let's see, but the camping is up by Bemo, no more twice, and can be query. It's a fun baby in terms of Yadian. Maybe be kakra atum say you starting in them.
All right, but already the current leadership our more Ministry of Agri here you boost tourism you grow Ghana say bedru you can be self-sufficient you bet me feed you and young cause obiga said then what 20 bought them more then I feel near kwa pacho. Do you see a brighter future?
Oh sir, make a choice. About a memory. I shall still over here campaign. No, yet, if you should almost no meeting. Who does it see? I'm no cassette. Yeah, I'm no cassette. Someone shall do it.
Aye.
Opa, we are the no cassette. My mumu number, never presenter. Me, I mean, mumu mamma to fear. Namun ko, would have been called you the artist. The horse and the meaning. Namun ko put that a queer for. Or more. Adom mo emu rice a good dem si tie a ye kata yi a omo ye nya tofo omo to e good dem me ankasa me time as MP me the rice mill a mainly 4 tons an hour mill e ko me constitution a e si ho titia Friday Saturday ya na me omo emu gu wa omo to omo mill ye nya tofo a crafodum no a good them.
Na buffer stock for ne be found.
Yeah, tell me there. Buffer stock for a motor and a school feeding for a motor. In fact, paddy no, and money, you know. What is it maybe near neighbor Kina for the Nigeria for a conto. So, back no for no matter talk at the court. Minister now follow a great time.
Yeah.
A good one time now. Now more Quafono, and my nay, quiet company said. But lies are by the man, almost door a fool. Yempre, Emma Omo, and Mamma Top and Franco. Because I Ghana for one effort. It may be that a Fumbisi Valley, a move Busso, New Hope, Minister of F-Ray, Rice Millet Association, MFA Banks, and almost for 2 and more put up Sagat and Moon Booning and Millet. Over there, there was a tie. Every December, almost orders by Minister of Agri. Ghana rice. The Ghana rice is the key of and then Ghana rice, almost baggy packaging. What is a problem? A packaging, any quality. That is why I did machines. I make us maybe become a constituency. Machines are what policer. That's how the stone in year more the whole morning. The problem now is monabo. Yes, so who say should be na eme. Farmers, more a go yento. Meme say who do pa. Men chaba bia. Ko nim edubiase nkura anase. Ekobusa rice farmers. Obi odo mo last year. So be kona ne mu emu dem. Na we no wo be boa nipa no ana wa meboa no. Ohun aba omde abo kuku fotri because nanka wo eto kuku no wi a no adom mo be wa ne kabi. No de no so support no kuku tia. Etwa ngoma oni eni de ekosi. Ofi say next year kwani no ede akono no obinya a obesan de aye adwuma ni bi. Ika ben fu no de be adwuma because the odo ye good them koko kakra so the board bra so a obu and the wholesale fee and 2-3 in a room 13,000 na ne ba wo ho ne mu ye nto ni koko de be so a ya ta abasa agini kika e di ku am ne de ke no person de tourism dia and no mo adwuma ye. Because they no be with ya, say no cry. It's a Greek minister now, can a casa fanfare as a warrior campaign. When you say, the Amamua man will do.
I will just draw up my nasi. Then you're tearful near
Mr. Damasi. Now, with someone more free and no one casa. Afidano, the local which you power be on the same. Yes, a mama no mean no money means no.
Yeah,
yo, that's it.
Yes, that's it. Honorable George Odro, a former deputy minister for agric. The subject related to agriculture. I don't know, Pehote said, you don't know, Eddie Como. Kwame Nkwantabisa Hanum. Now, I'm told, sir, just say, and crying diner. A petri gumuno. Could I be out go school or myself? But they say, hold me a security zone. The outfall that more share of pay, making sure some quadrat more ham home crash or go school. Momo Muntenefi. Because then I'm quack. And as I said, your horse here crying, allow cry. We don't allow you to enter the premises. Now, Aquada, who goes to good. That area, you say, hold me, I menya. Baby, sir, just some parents, no more money, and so, and cohortum say, Baya, and Quadano Bia, so, and go fast in Bia, Emre, Esramoa, Hunyapa, as idea, Jana, what tea, Monshan and so, Monshan so. Nanum. Minister for Roads, Era Kwame Govins, Agbozanso Ebekasai. In fact, on the fourth estate, I have back and forth on this subject matter. I have soul sourcing and a Akwanya ye, which is the big push. Modiama. Now, according to the fourth estate, big push, Urama, or why any two, Bako mu continue na Bako aye, and monocra. If so, when you drew baby to say Blue Region, now drew Sunya Bisima, they started it. The mama time almost started a Jawa na feel my ba. Omuba betuaso. If you also a feno ma pie quine cra, Omuye. But share Debbie Amicon. Me say or maya yede ya man yourself all in the name of say a preposition. And why you now? It don't help us. It do baby I perceive the bibia man yourself, aman yourself, a qua that say boabe boy. And ya dear wow. Dear me person, yeah, so mine say. Bibi ba. We talk about the possibilities the technicalities and niama ye betim dia si ho ama na ye. That is the most important thing I was saying. But se bibia ye toa so say ye de ba MPP NDC somewhere that we are being economical with the truth. Now afia kwa na sabi wa beboy. Some years ago we were not happy. We were not happy because say so your ministry now. Akwaye ni say so sourcing, yeah, they are so sourcing. Technically, your emergencies are every old man directly move with so sourcing. But every old cry now, and won't yeah because say contract be go through proper tendering. Say contract be go through proper tendering. A honor ye quality and value for money. But say I agree say ye nim kophobia boyen, they all say ye tintam contract be more. That is where we have the problem. We are successive government are begging now. Embrebia ye be so sourcing contract about 99% ebe idea ekwenye papa. Within few years na 82, within few months they 82. Because the person did not go through the proper channel. He was favored. And he has had any pardon or you accountable papa bia. Because say ye nimno is member of the party and I said the party ye nimno because say oh my yesikabi some years ago and I say oh a member of the party. I am not against say MPP contractor by MPP adwuma NDC contractor by NDC adwuma almost a Ghana for but provided say sa kwofo aye ko masemi they are qualified omo mfidie omo the technical know-how. Now the banter between the fourth estate and the ministry I had the number of staff. Like I said, of course, as the fourth estate told him, say, construction firm be no be nipa baako na nipa for omudi adwuma. They know. But Enan said those firms no, yenye due diligence mo no. Obekwa Senate no twa nipa baako peka, nipa for peka. Senate. E di omo kwa so kwate document from Senate say. Sompa fa mo ba nipa sen ana etua omo Senate. Obekwa nipa 50 and that is almost all of them. You perform here casual workers, you perform here permanent staff, and you won't be free. But the next year, you're around bare 40. Now, because you see the path for penny, a try umuka. That's a year bought minor chrono and say bought workers not a chrono. And according to the presentation on Senate, no, Nipa 4 na mucho muka, and that is it. Of course, Okofield and Nipa 4 entimi nyajuma. But the staff in the Omu according to and Krata the fourth estate a war, I'll tender into evidence. On this company, they will show you that document. I nipa 4, and that is what we are talking about. Our prime minister Kwame Atenasi. Kwame Mache.
Obeni mi Jozo.
Empom to say.
Obadi Adawroma or the Achain and Kwaho di womb Tino. Ebeda Nasi Obeni Patrona Zoe.
Oba ya do ya hoya pa.
How do I say you look classic.
Me dasi.
You look classic.
One say ye na e ya so for man. Usa sa dress me an ye tete obebo type na ne. Me sa bokwa akra kwarista pa.
Obeni mi nya mi za wonjire mu bia o.
Me sure say kam bobo tie ni dia nka kwarista pa.
Me so me sa wonjire mu bia. Me bo aba.
Oh ya so obe chire mu. Ba me sure say. Wa mama fi mi titi bre me bra me o ti na me kwa master.
Two person who say oh yes so
for ba. Me kwa master.
Yes so for ba.
Anya say me pesi who I'm proud of it.
Oh yeah sorry adwuma.
Yes.
Na ne.
Mami.
Na ne.
Because me dwane na me subanye.
Na ne.
And then say
I know that's so yes sorry adwuma no.
Me nya say. Adam wa kan say we are.
Oh okay. Oh sorry.
Opanyin hwe onwa you.
That's sorry. That's sorry. That's
Jesus say. E ko for say na mo mo say wo eja ko say. O kwa me eja ko say.
Me say o ye elder. E Elim City I saw them. O ye elder. E Elim City.
Me Elim City crowd ka be so full crowd. Me ye
and I will call leave kaka. No asaba.
Drew matters am yin part.
Yes. O da audio sorry dey wako bibri, wako Jehovah. I commit to this.
That there's some more Ben Abbas. Okay.
Obedi, I say,
over witness your quite this year.
Okay.
Until Mubad this year. I would not even go there. 85 years. Yo, Kodo.
Yeah, go ahead. Obedi.
Abu Mora was sorry. What? Abu Mora was sorry. I was a cabin beach.
Oh, maybe me bass in Yane, and I mean involved in I was once Sabbath school superintendent, church secretary, and treasurer. My name me bass in Yane, and because I mean establishing me home castle me better forever. Until I mind Jimmy D. But I saw the corner there me call. I saw the come call. That time now they bought volley. I Sundays no more volley. Saturdays no more sorry. Sorry. Hey, Sabbath school. Obana me chile Sabbath school agape church anya easy. Tiani me any opini don't go there. Agape church.
As the book first half and second half.
Mostly, yeah, me first half now. Me back on day. Mostly, me first half and second half. It's a mechanic. Executive secretary the man conference Pastor Champo. Wuti me pa. Onim say dey make am dey no kre.
Kumase so dey no hwe pa.
Kumase dey me nyankwa so bia e wa ha.
So there be so members so mo hwe.
And the Central Ghana Conference. Central Ghana Conference or more.
I mo executive e ba ko mini papa.
Okay.
They say me make chance o ma.
Kache ze bitialo. Kache ze bitialo. Me wa raw. Obeni wa semka.
Me fa so mini hweka. Adwuma na wa ye.
Bibi o hobi.
Adwuma na wa ye. Wa so ba ba ko na atwe ni ti be.
No, ogwa so no dey.
Okopa. Ono ye Sabbath school and a teacher.
Hey.
Hwe. Ka chiri.
Obeni?
Obeni. So no in charge of birthdays. Now you are the young papa na ya mum. Papa, oh, talented was resource and
also because we as for man who says say nya ba so nko ade baby do a ka chi be na so actually odeshi obedi mama na zero pay ma make sure say from the spirit to my soul until my heart re-echoes. Heavenly Father is worthy of my worship and my praise. Inti medana say Kwame Nkwa peni bi wi arama da wase for akwenya wo de amame na fi mada ya tie fo nso se ne achia wo mu say adechi bia no omutu si yen because they know say as it is na ye be kan say na fi nso de wo so wo tenso ye de bebro mu yen kata na ye ma so say ye tie bia nso ye be kan say we appreciate one more time ye bre no ko openi nkame won sem bebiri kan but mame hwe enra the see or Accra New Town a diner a bubu ye na say still are not really confirmed well say 2 ABC 3 ABC 2 ABC 3 and as for no Kwame I think that it is time I was say you who say oye nisi baby na services ahodo no mo ye responsible for mo na rescue team no ekoko pie ho na so mo kodi djuma openi it is time I was say allow mo no mo nyom adjuma. The politicians need to me mufua ye di America kuku na we akofa bucket we akoka yenyai we should leave the work for these professionals no munye. If they ask us ze yemla meboa they are fine ni abeboa ni no mo ye adwuma no. If they ask us so mu bisa yen say yemla me ye adwuma na say ye ni omunye adwuma ana say wo mo hia ye moa ni aba besum because Kwame fire service ni person for say na timemuni nso akwa ho babia bia nka wo so hyase so anu firi no dum eja no na sebe ya entrance nko baabi no be say ya kwa block hodom na ye kwa charge eja no baabi enro collapse ye call so yi politicians timemufo ni na sefo ye rescue team etoda Kwame nipa no wo rescue na wo ko so no mu a e wo so bia wo se wo so no mu se bia dan abu abo no kwan a ofa so da ho na home ye no se de sitie e wo ba bia wo so Now they are pagya ne baby anso ne yeso. But who nimti wo bekwa akoso no akwa akoyesa no aha no. Politicians no so ya na speed with speed. One person will guarantee interviews near cancel without confirmed numbers. Need details as to the CNA, the abano, say the city no. Woman yai. They should stop that. One my fire service for you, my juma ya, I'll bet me about how do I be jina now her quite more fast so. Ebi a obehu infomso bi a ekoso wo kwan amfa so konumo na fe nso wo lobby skills na wo ho firi ho a agoka se na no eja to ha edan ebubu oba bi me koduru hodom no kwan na wo mo ho etu anamo no na ensem fata they lack ABCD nti ye mo sa na ye ma we ni ntumi mo. I think say I was here shase ni ye hwe na ye boa na sa na ye ma itumi koso. Oye name ne ba mo ye responsible no kopie ho no Kwame ye mo kwan no mo nya adwuma. Now my question is say Works and Housing Department Kwame o mo adwuma pa ne sen.
Okay.
The ntia me bisa sa question ye ne say Kwame answer na assembly be ma work ayi anase building permit no. Ni ehunu se ba bia wo ba ba erect wo dan no e allowed se wo erect. Kwame wo de me kire no.
Yeah.
E allowed se wo erect wo dan no. E ho a dance side, a ho, a containers side, a ho, a abia factories in industry side, a ho, a bayasa, a water hydrant in a sephone, near my hood be a dish baby, a whole line tea, who knew quite away erected. Again, Works on Housing Department. Say me boy, they should come and tell me. Say they have a responsibility. Say after granting a permit, say usu ba be sit down a high insum, but the hair no insumu hodom no. So we recti down na u recti assassin na u pega footings no money drew limit yi. Now you use this number, this quantity of cement. E was a ho assassin na. E betumi aboa ba if you now so person si no. O betumi yes in this say you na obe si wo hot dia. The assembly will permit you to erect that building there. Say enyo modjuma Kwame, they should tell me say enyo modjuma. They should tell me say Kwame Jakobwa. Because answer na anything will be allowed to be erected, being it container, being it a house, being it a factory, being it whatsoever. Assembly more expert eco grounds ko he say biaya nipa ni ba be pega dinasi no e sefata na ensem fata. Enti de bia me ka say ejato baby na ehye na yesi fire service ntumi nko. Ejato baby na ehye na fire service say ye ni nsuo. Ejato baby na ehye anaso ye na bi si baby na ye nya excuses di free ho. Most of the times and me ka say me mfa so bo nkobo bia first of all me the bebo assembly, me the bebo engineers, me the bebo planners, me the bebo Works and Housing Department, me we are me the bin so about the fire service for, because all of these institutions Kwame agencies Kwame, they have a certain role to play when it comes to nation building. Want to mean can't me say baby a honum and what say ye do honum a ye fie near sifie no was see yakwako see factory and industry and now say yakwako see a ye fuel station wo ho na say wo ye neba. You don't want to take responsibility, you want us to shift the blame near fanko to politicians. So na ababe dane e kawo or minus so say I feel no minus say baby gigi in semusa e dia matime mu for say woman ye niemfa mu omo yemfa nso omo asene. Yet Kwame, we also have a certain responsibility to be asking questions. Say, answer na ukwako peja dan si ho, ukwako si school dan, ukwako si hotel. Ask this critical question. Say, baby, ukwako peja dan si engineer. Ora, ehwasa na eye. Not just because say you wosi kenti, you sorry ya ni ukwako si dan no. I was see a penny some critical informations via a beboyen, not the kind of structure you be putting up. I will be a ye kwakosi dino, yet to me as in ye. say yensuo na okwa kosi dan wutimemuni no wo na wo so wanya osika ma engineers ne a works department ne wo mo ye expert wo ma bene enkyira wo say eha ya asase ahasase ye yensuo mu ehasase ya etisei no so wo besi a gisa wo hia this quantity of cement ebia wo hia iron rods dudu sei ebia dan no gisa wo si no ama anim na hwe sei ana wo pagya na ye sei. We have to seek for this clarification and information and sana yet to anamobia. But in this country, I say obia mfo obia ho obia pese oyedi obetumi aye obia hu ne se me na manya misika na babia mesi me dan babia meye mai sei mesi. How come say school dan na say dan a yesi yensi nwe yempo kwame atumi abubu. So we have to be asking some critical questions before we make or we take some decisions. E wasa se no kra FK go ho se e basa asase no ka no ho a se na sitie nti yesi dan no se a e na bema ensi okay se ho no asase no e basa bibi oye ne kitu bi ba e betumi aha dan na ene me need that quantum of money a me de be rete dan no wo e ho nom nti ma me nkope ba bia metumi ayi. Feasibility studies is very, very critical, very key and very important. But we don't do all of these things. Nti yeti mine muna ubia di opebia no ye adenya manya misika. Me na manya misika nti no mikosi mi dan mikosi ubia ntumi nka hwe mfa nkyere me. And the authorities and the institutions responsible so kwame wo moda. Ti wo moda na bibia ekoso saa wo mema. It is a hard time. You have to ask some critical questions. You have to analyze some things. You have to make sure, say, you will be responsible for the outcome of the bachelor. And yes, sir, they be a bebre. Sir, so in the procurement, you won't say me, I have a bite on that, but it will be another day because of Yemreno. I was here, vigilant. Ne was ye who say, way na jumanie, a seminar sino, he is responsible for that.
No, get fund, Danya. A buying project view, especially get fund. Years upon years,
yes.
Now, ye skeleton is you. Yam finish you or crying more so. Then so you go
cause some financial loss to the state.
Yes, I take a lot. Yes, ye
so the question comes and say, before see a baba erected dino, none nipa no babisi and now bino no are ready. Fund the name secured. Ah, so you see, Kwame is a
get farm
lot.
Was it Tembebre?
Yeda. Kwame, what come Makaya sembi we na nsabi ebrebi etwam wo mu sisi toilet bi kwame wo mu sinu kuma kama say we use anim no na atwa no round say minim say wo hu sa toilet na make na ana no kra no mihu bi wo am say sunyane kwan yi su baby na a mommy reflecting on some of these toilets yes baby kwame esisi ho ye mie so ye nya hwe so the purpose of sa a dan na you see ya na toilet na you see ya no hasn't come to fruition.
That me who made
we are not holding anybody responsible
bet for project yes aya ni bi mere ho ye baby o makosi asi and said ye nwura asi afa ho. We
are not holding anybody responsible until Ubia Yediope. Ubia Yediope. Kwame Dasi.
But I say Express Group, ye better kwayo, ye better kwain. Na utu kwano ko ye juma ana uko school. Any Express Group na no me come for the amount. So utu kwain ana uko school amono ne dia Express Group. International exam to say sa GRE Jima TOEFL. Ye ni nyina bi ewo ho. Na ya register ya sama tuition papa bi and cry ya wasa for labor runabout Kumasi ya wasa for labor runabout and cry ya Carnation First Light for 0249000448 0249000448 Odru East Legona yani Trinity Theological Seminar no ana edi eben so sa answer Temayo Community 18 Lashibi Agua filling station yani Lashibi funeral home and a bank so so that one water crowd your market circle make sure hot and a store the fast food yani ne dear nim share so that one was Silver House building mu port dan ho ye ne eben so saa so na tamale teaching hospital bo ba be hu yen saa so na ba bia ni fo mo bra the court ho anyetare eye express group study and work abroad 05555 5 near 05555 0067 05555 0067 na enyen embon komo enso ho 21st clinic na ya the sciatica expert shadow so say 21st share ya de bia ntimi nsie 21st ye won fidie ho your professionals omonim de wo ho 21st clinic na sciatica expert if is a sciatica and your cover by ye hwehwemu say ya de we symptom kase bi a chese ya de kase bi ba it won to asia bibi be yo 0540311311 0540311311 0249311311 ofre your call center ya branches in the doors will be a bell on your show now call skuma say wa hwan overseas Sompa TV Sompa FM was true ano more form and ya fell radio na ben so obo asem ko cancel quarters ho ana mo behu yen ko junction ho Accra Dobe market mo behu yen enso sunyane mo ko sunyan teaching hospital yane ne dia nhwe atachi my GN bank dan dada na ubehu yen ewo mu sa asram kransa ye ginagina wo de friend numbers no baby a bell on your mamra 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540311311 sciatica expert 21st clinic sa asra anopay make come for them Roman father na dro no edro bia ye dro there's Roman father dro de chen konya there's ultimate say nyamensa wompa oho ayo tichiti stroke anacho ohonam ayomre body weakness body pains ni nyina to ase pressure diabetes ye manage ne kama pa dem say round tinin mu yi ade na akoto baabi chronic diseases enso so Roman father drone bi na ebeboa wo saa enso so na yade bia no onum Roman father na drone na eboa wo Roman father na drone Father Martin's eba mixture ana akofa ba the best medicine for all sicknesses enso ho ya wa drugstore any pharmacy shop bia 0247919122 0247919122 and 0552668517 0552668517 Arapai RSYD Novigi Studios omo ana streaming wedding program bi afa videography ho oyi movie oya film oya documentary bi a your studio state of the art equipment Ghana ha ba bi abafre bi ebeba eno aba be dika subom enti nyuma dwuma ku amoye streaming oya podcasting oya de account bi sorry free ebeba 0574715778 0574715778 and 030397482 030397482 anopay yawon kran Accra Malam Abiase First Kokroko Street eho ana abehu yen ofre ya betro ba bia na wabagana aba bia ofre ya beba RSYD Novigi Studios ana make come for their mawo Kingdom Herbal Center na ekofa by Kingdom Garlic Capsules and inhibitors Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules Tremendous Almighty Capsules Tremendous Capsules no mama pa I feel the creative am why kama ma odobia sent bia pam na mana kwa we anopay enkofa bibia ankoho ema semma nonom tremendous capsules so your ba menso de so de nyina range bibia kama mawo sanso na Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ne boa mema sexual weakness waist pains usisi na ya mental stress etu ase de amawo afeo per physical energy is the ability to do work boa ma physical energy and it dem so bi o yes na bi akai Allah ilala ya go sia yo baby o everade ya draw fish nyina se ne de bedi baku and osmosis from a lower concentration to a higher concentration through a permeable membrane. Pollination from the anther to the stigma of the flower. How about baby? How about you? Yes, you're more. Let me have it to you. And the MPP this is a view. Yeah, right there. Hey, Jabi, we are bobo. And the Kingdom Jesse Power capsules in a boama mano, not a tremendous capsule boama. Obia hiasa no pebia benum Kingdom garlic capsules and in bitters because garlic ne womne e boost your immune system no. It releases stress, a few anxiety, a few arthritis, numbness, hypertension, stroke, heart disease, cholesterol. Odi abobo Kingdom garlic capsules no. Ane Kingdom garlic bitters no ebe boa pa. Anope tago herbal mixture and capsules. Tago nye erectile dysfunction away. Tago nye low libido ewo mem away. Tago nye infections away. All kinds. Our drugstore ne pharmacy shop bia. Anope pebinato. Eye tago herbal mixture na make am for mount. 0243228296. 0243228296. Eye tago. Ananope make am for edi amount. Abejafo atena se anope. O matena se kama. Na wafa clear atena se. Ojam edi amount the New Patriotic Party MPP. So answer me Sheriff so atena se. Ojinamu edi amount the National Democratic Congress. Eye NDC Sheriff Abdul Karim atena se anope. Yeah, President Mahama, Ghana LGBTQ plus minus times, position rooted in culture, in our cultural law and consensus. Bro, could do yet to no say at the end of the day, your mom near you, and the long invest the moon first educating my mother moon farm doctorate. Yet the mom remunijina. Promote local grow Ghana tourism. Promote local grow Ghana tourism minister. So they kind of policy and former Deputy Minister for Agric Edi Hunkomo. Road Minister dismisses disinformation on big push contract. Insists no Ghanaian contractor operates with one staff. And I pay Abega for Atanasi. Yabeshe and so on. Kwame, I need you to be all now, me boa Kwame. Fifth, yeah, Kwame, me do call program get CB pa. Unique events and entertainment. The program Kessia pa Easter bash baso. Me do be call mama me special invite. Timianka se mi ginamu su ginam na a unique pop. I ben a kote astro telephone. Aha, omo ball live band pa kama pa. Na omo de celebrate Easter nyame boa. Sunday so enti 5th. Ye koba na say ye prepare for adwuma. Na eno 7 p.m. till time be konti Kwame Shene so. Edru ha ye be koda obeshe white. If say dress code near white pa. Nyame boa Easter idea. Ye nso ye be fa town. Ye be TSC town pa Easter bash chenchirenche pa. Sheriff mu nyina mdom kwa ko piepiem Sunday fifi pu ya ginam gidigidi pa. Ofa clear na o ya de.
Nana Nkwantabisa me ho dey me je se wo so apomu so ye papa.
Nyame ado me ho ye pa.
Ya ba no pay.
Me do be ko bi why Easter bash.
Me gina me na so de nanka flyer no wa hene ye say program no bi o he flyer no take the program no be come pa.
Omo de beto.
Omo de ba am fan so my na ye hwe. Me gina me na so. Some me dey Nigeria as a youth activist there. Nigeria say youth there. Me buru there say there no. And no be say na my Nigeria na say stress no o man mu do so. E say and this for share boss some the 24 hour kono ba fa adwuma ye nyanya bi. Ye nyanya bi so there na say adwuma no ye Nigeria ye ntimi enka ye Nigeria. Na so me youth activist gina mu kwa dem so ba bi. Omo frame me am so don. It is well. Na ye ntise what pie na say na me si don worry remember. On that the first time I would be people and that program is very special. Because program and Nkwantabisa EDP first time there. Na je anode. Live
band so dey me pe.
We try on ask kakra.
Sunday. 7 p.m. to Tama.
Easter Sunday assembly here kan.
Easter Sunday.
Engineer na so. Resurrection na say. Resurrection na say we na say dey. Ya ko Jesus dey was already answer. It is well. It is well.
Sheriff Mache.
Yeah, me so.
Empombo ko de.
A trade am punya kopo adawro ma.
Enyama de demu.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama tutu yintino. Bibia de na kwem. And I think say nanu ada ye enwira asema I see wo ye Accra New Town. ɛyɛ wɔn a wɔn ahwere wɔn abusuafoɔ no otwe di apɔ nyankopɔn wɔn kyekye wɔn rɛ na wɔn ahwere adeɛ no so yɛ wɔn yɛ akɔ because ano ɔden oh ote 3-story building na adwiri agu amanfoɔ wɔn yɛ asɔre wɔ dilapidated building bi mu adwiri yɛ
get fan building
get fan building nti areho yɛbɛsrɛ na me follow discussions na no pay one of the guys ka say assemblyman a wo krom ho ekofa aya works department engineer ma ne ba ho be ka kire wo mo say sa dan no hwe na obi anya dan ankom that is it. And so sometimes daddy is no na wo hwe picture bi a dan na tilt you
Osha time I say some one and nebebu.
Yes, I told it.
Tis in Finfini or not jagum. I think that's that time don't go for a works for anybody say.
What the so I don't know why Ghanaians we are doing this to ourselves. But this be problem they say. Say Kobi they see die see suobua. Kia fast at the excavator kwa ko buegu. Ada that die be said ye bank klade giant school back
2023 of Ankodia no.
Oh okay. So you see. So be problem they say case you suo kwa mu a kia kobu no. Enti adan na MC wo ba be share sa building we edan na tia ba
yenkom na mumu no
na mumungu
also wa kan asem
mumungu
how say ade ne nya o se mamungu mamungu so ne de kasa
you understand mumungu
no mamungu kra ne de kasa
what da be chew no enti be sere say na no so de wo se ebo eye fire service military regiment call NADMO police omabo mo money because the biya na because asem we say sade asia the first respondents no neighbors within the community almost yade they were able to save in excess of 5 people wo ba yade pa the team no so ba no obuso betimi abe rescue 15 and 3 other dead bodies almost so abebo mo body but the best friend say going forward sad wo ba bi say this year so going forward ube hu bi say yemungu.
What is wrong with us?
Yemungu.
Kromo for the idea said you can because mu kra na dey idea say hana so for digina enti nipa dodo no wo to ha. Yes. Enti amomu hyase fi. Oh boy idea. Cause wo mu hyase fi atifi ho a anko mbeba na say. I'm telling you. Who say no ti ye national director of NADMO. What the idea be about ye friend DVGs. Okay. Each and every locality be a DVG wo ha or only a local volunteer. Enti bibi ebesi bia is the first respondent. Ya mo training a hodo a betimi afa so rescue nipa in some of these circumstances. Obi on ma we need that capability no. But wotimi rally nipa na won say busuafo de esi ne mo fa mo cameras ni hye bubotom ni enkoye bibi, and that is precisely what the people around there did. Enti I was see obo mama so na omo so omo obo baby kono ye bema busuafo no so yakọ me that say. All right. Anopa yen sha asem free LGBT for the His Excellency interview.
Yeah. Senior, I think LGBTQ as media. Ghana, it has been clear from the onset. Say yen titi and the choir Ghana. Ye fa so tete ye free ye mofra brem eba be simpempen so aye drino bibibia kire pefe se sa de ne nya de a Ghana for ye ho adwen se ye pese ye gitum ne ne tena. But our who woman say we are where we are to the essence say doctorate on an area cry a president of the land due to the fact that we're making the stance clear as far as that particular subject matter is concerned. No, it has been turned down. But the woman say, I am happy with the way Ghana is moving now. In the essence, say, these particular other factors on us, conditions with other countries, and having a toll on us, as in whether we should bow down for what they want us to do for them. But rather, as Ghanaians, pay through our president, defending your moral values as a people, because LGBTQ plus, it is something that is not worth going by. We share all of the churches in Ghana. Ejina fako. Even abosomfo krampo ejina fako. Even in krabofo po ejina fako. Say LGBTQ plus ne dia. And what's a Ghana as a country? Yajitum. Etimeni J. So all the presidents are obia equivocally have registered their displeasure and have registered their readiness in order see a bit to be a boa na bibia to me akototi. Don't know what I say bill na Yura Nana Danko Kufu at the time a core parliament and the train say ye best sign no Adena John Mahama by one side no cause me woman say and my brother Claire will agree with me say the movement at the 8th parliament never expand any particular bill or one or so revebiano espas so that time I Catholic membership never be meeting His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no what can say Sadia we na dia and what I was say acquires a meme of a Claire and ye de base yamra ne yamba yamrantia e wo say ye bibi se efri kuro no aya public members bill e ye kuro no ye see ye nya samra we nya dai ento say be ya ye nuanu ba wo mo ye saa ahurukasam no ye nuanu ba mo ye say nyambrasam no ye besesa wo mo one way or the other na see ye betimi abrasa adwumadie no ase because Ghana your religious values e kwanso a yefa so tete ye moral values a yesua no wosuku no enkyeresa no ma no enu ti na anytime bia wo wu say sanu ma we be sorry within our system our facade our educational system no Ghana sorry dina say be ya ye beto sanu ma ni nyida ye den egu ti mesre edidie mesre enya no say we thank the president for stating unequivocally our position as far as this particular LGBT class is concerned. And I am so the general public say, "What be biara ye be would say wo ye san no mano, and ye pupo, and ye mob action here to solve this particular problems because there have been so many instances. Obi on my ye shedi pano ni ye dream say bia, when you are crowding ye bibisa, ubo say, wa mo attacking ni pano and bibisa, there be. Obi wo hono ma eye trauma bi na oni akro no wo ye den okom ya de netrase ya pem malamfo imamfo ne netrase kasa e bia ne yatimi aye den enya na adwena ma nya a proper understanding say baby a wonam ro nya kwan pa e be den e be boa no na wo fa sa kwan no so ade kowu a emfa so die papa bia ni wo e de man in the year after say be ya oni akro ne betimi aye den arufire ni there were so many of these particular rehab centers you betimi ni safo nyina ye den akọ counselors ahodo nyina wo hono ma you betimi am omo ne sankofo we ye den edin sawaso say be ya going forward no baby omo de betimi ayi omo free ho no ma sa ba be ka the normal civilization of humans so that bibia ye kama.
Thank you very much. Over clear.
Nkwantabisa no kwasem ne say mandika come consul na me fan check my member of parliament to Furikum MP Honorable Michael Akwesi Edu no machia party mpanifo nyina wo hwe sa LGBTQ ho asem ya ayade a ha adwen because wo hwe sa ne amabunu no titrupa ne enne kwade ese Sharif atra single and young people kwakọ awarefo mu krampo wo no mu a na oye be ma wo yere ba no so yes asabi ehurukasem no entino eyade a eho asem no ye na omampani asem a okan na mehwe ne se ohwe enano speaker of parliament a oye mranimni na ono no sase na ye passes a bill no and ye private members bill good na okochia enkofukuo bi na okachire omo say he takes a different position from the Sharif can say I was say how go through process ni bio or say I was all mampani ne dia so obesan that is the position of the speaker of parliament our yamra nimni na ono ne nsase and ye passes sa emra no was say who here say a best so about parliament bio abe go through all the stages bio ono ne nti asemu no na eno ana ebi muso ne nya bi se there be sa parliament na passes sa amra no time atwamu die a was here starting afresh and the people are the members of parliament omo kabo mu na omo edi sa amra no call parliament me passing omo da so ho and omo so okay and ye we ni hu how ye no ase ye say atire bio ni asa ye de akọ omo sa atire ye e de command speaker of parliament here sa speaker of parliament here ade we na asem hia no a no so as dimite sa ade no ni ye de call parliament no omo hihiem na the process ne start no afa de onye ntumu a na yemfa nka eniama e be discuss for parliament ho a bosome be sensie nie. It has not even been advertised on the other paper mpo ena nka pese ya ka ho asemo ama ya start process no stage 1 ne first reading second reading na se form ina se na committee level mpo. It tells you say this government is not being committed. I was a bill because Kama committed here. I said yeah response on what the man said there be the entire engine to move ni say yem pese be no private members bill this time. Yeah, pese government sponsored. Now pese government sponsored. You now have over 184 members of parliament. What pese mo ya mo na wo abemu. The drafting crap is very simple and easy because Attorney General see our tiakunya swing. Now pencil the committee so and as the chairman of the legislative blah 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 sense be mo can say omo jije mratu mu no parliament no can the legal the committee who parliament omo nesa committee na dey we come na so tinka ne enka ono kwa betima draft nanka wade akokoma aba nanka omo Ade Akye parliament as government sponsored edi enti na 1.5 year ne muntimi vangoye. It shows that you are not committed to it. Ni another commitment bi a adeda ade bi asa show bi a chese omo nya committed ne say and na no omo ko UN na ekoba say UN resolution a ye to ho aba na ewiase amansa nyina obi a ekire na adwen de afa ho se ogitum anaso wonyintum. There was no middle line. Na yes or no. Eno de enya wompo na wokokọ draft bill bi e de akona ehun technicalities bi nti yakase yanyintum. We de UN draft ya de kama na say wo de an say kwoto aba na kire say wogitumu anase wonyintum. Yes, trumu any gay some ni lesbian some yi. UN say wo Ghana na wontimi nchita opposition na won fan ko parliament as a government sponsored bill. Na won kokọ ye ho adwuma mpo wo de ye ya ma okwan. Che wadin say wo pe anasa wo mpe. Ye foreign minister ni aban say ye ntimi nchira ya adwen. Enti aba no they abstain from that voting e wo UN. Chawaje say wo pe anasa wo pe no se me de mentimi decide ye ntimi hu se me pass me impediment to aba no kura. That's the second action che say omo enye committed to. Ndi asa to so bio so e say bill no me de me hu sisi ane say the president must show commitment and fulfill the very promise where the Catholic Bishop Conference say on the obe sign no e dey na esi ni kwansi here because who are majority time also sign na make us say our party no abamu ukọ parliament here say MPP for nyina ma parliament krampo a wo members of parliament a won nkwa betimi pass amara yemra because mo two test me boa ene yai say MPP for nyina kwampo sorry tia so mo de call parliament na say MPs na sorry tia kwampo omo members of parliament no nkwa betimi pass amara yemra dide na si omo kwan. It tells you say no mo opposition no na ye kasa hunu na ya de no mo kakeke they were not committed to any power to mu Sam George anu onamu a no kasa ho say Kufuado wo ye LGBT wo pe saade no enne ye ntimi kwapon kasa ba LGBT kwa bibio enne mpo de abako kodim pempe so say sa wontimi mfa nkom ye mpase na ye hu commitment mpo na de obejampa na ye flat sampo a afempo de ye nya foreigners ya omutimi ba ye manyimu to the extent of mo call a state monument. All right. No mo call Blaster Square. No mo call town for nyini say yeni LGBT for yeni twa ya ba beginya blam hu na ye koka wa parliament ya the leader of government business ono asaso ye deputy government chief whip say AI the ohun sanfoni ohun ye no say AI
no point of view no is subject entitled
obi aba o ma mu akọ national monument ho akotwa the LGBT for akotwa mfonyini ade akoko to social media my trend o ba bia de flag kwapa ka ho a o say AI and you know this government I do not see any commitment on the LGBTQ asem no they just
to the extent say I withdraw the doctorate and come there
because one show commitment by letting the Attorney General send government bill and fanco government sponsored bill fanco say yen pay into the pass it.
Thank you. Sheriff, you want to do a quick one?
Yeah, let me do a quick
one.
A quick one. Me Claire, you said you are a youth activist. Say if say indeed, say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has no commitment or what whatsoever with this particular bill. Can would he sit down for a whole honorarium, not from just any particular university, Lincoln University? Let's be realistic. No, you commitment. Oh, my brother. So the point is, only who to me say, no particular honorarium doctorates. No, I said John Dramani Mahama ni LGBTQ plus for ne ya Genia. Come the bemana na come for mano. And a girls ben obudina so man fasade na mano. Wo say sa particular agenda of LGBTQ plus no. Wo no mo nya adwene nti wo fasade ne mano. Etisa na entisa. Sa na tie. Etisa. Esa so te say. But the point of it all is say I was seeing you now my whole kwan na yete ase. Ni who say Ghana and Kasano Sadia na nyadia obi biara across the political divide ya boya dey ejoso.
During the interview or say a private sponsored but the referee say they call government sponsored.
Oh, say this is a slip of tongue.
I'm Penny say tongue say I'm Penny. I'm Penny to Mahama no for me.
See that we you will club her. You be say akofado this particular same question. We kasere Ghana for nyina say it is bound to happen.
Say I'm Penny akofado na say kodina sorry dem say that dem say.
You will club her. No I don't talk akofado ka say to mu no and you possible see e be do Ghana.
Na me say I'm Penny na
after
Thank you. Road governs and the fourth is gentlemen. More microphones off, gentlemen. Yambra na me free so. The fourth estate. The fourth estate to say Sheriff any of a clear ceasefire. Me pomo of a clear mefa course seven pennies make sure my for course 7 pennies I'll end the show for you. Yeah, Barbara Brady pick a course. Someone person works cinema. Then Sheriff. I beg. Of a clear, please. Respect. Let us. Hold on. Yeah, respect your viewers. Hold on, Mr. Mo nyina mo kasa obi ante de odion koka. Enti yen said de bia mo yen respect your viewers on that. Of a clear. Yanko rules. The current happenings what contract so source na and one ba and some minister say a idea enya no cry misinformation. Fourth estate for the Krata bar from senator baby wa company bu nipa 4 nipa 3 do ye nim say constructions there nipa 3 nipa 4 ntimi nye enya de be fe nipa bebe but the reality from omo documents from senator fourth estate for buy so source na ban be your promise yes say so sourcing will be a thing of the past, especially with the current minister or no one so jijina mu on so sourcing.
Madase and of course Mr. Oshe sa big push here. The NDC and John Mahama omoye crafty thieves. Very, very crafty. let me make my point. You see, the entire makers are the same. So, person or bokro noa, what should that a crafting ye? Because we had a quite big push. Ya quite okroma on Mampania Kufuado. I had 12,000 kilometers of road. A who break down the year feeder room, the year resurfacing, the year bitumen, the year sapet, the year new roads. Nina a hand over the ama Abuja or Yahweh. Upon all these 12,000 kilometers of road, ya said I command a special name biao. Ya man a special name biao. Mpedi do mahama ni NDC person mo bokro no ntino. Omo shada crafting no say ye fe be big push. Big push near there e kwan ye. Ya kwan okro mo hanoma ya nto ni din am special name bi amfama no. But ye person ye create bibi ni ye lutu ntino ni amana special name say fe be big push. Now, Omampanish your boss said or the $10 billion. And now the bargain is come over 100 billion Ghana cedis. Ever be ya dey friend big push. Atu a big kind and say, ye fe be abai we ban or say pesa ministry be and I say agency be over my contract be a finance minister amount authorization amount to me and to me be by yourself no commitment authorization. Now, atu force ya we finance minister commitment authorization or the buy for big push 50 billion. Meanwhile, Omampani campaign was see 100 billion. Ghana dollars mu say $10 billion to the bargain is 100 billion. And the first atronic set is a can say Omampani 100 billion Ghana cedis or can want some opposition no ato forcing Emma commitment authorization. Ewo ne 4 years mu no was say 50 billion. Ewo ne letter mu de kan no. Me atoso me no ohwe the minister na ba ka oba make ade no kwampo west san say wa minister wo contract wa sign one contract na sign and you requesting who document wa who provide the man fourth estate and a document ni mu e say both for one company for no omo a state categorically in their certificate say omo work abako. So where is the disinformation agboja kan wasem no? Enye journalist bi enye Nana Nkwantabisa enye Meme Cletus and make say sa company no one worker not or four workers you. It is stated clearly omo document omo be tender ye and that's omo de bomb contract when e kan wasem. So where is the disinformation? They toss you. We have seen in those letters of contract letters any document they say we are seeing $17.6 million per kilometer according to a more contract sum contract document mu. Now near who crampo money say because the NDC knew say they had been something bad. Oko road ministry or more website here or more upload contract in they omitted very important and crucial aspect of it, the type of contract. Say yes, so sourcing, say yes, competitive, say yes, restrictive. And all the contract or more uploading or more portal or more fair one come. I dream bonnet and a boninti. Adentina okwa you upload bibia food disclosure contract some contract and kilometer bibia adentina mo upload na no kwa de man fansem because you know you are doing something bad. Ne eka ho biewa esaye hunu say ohwe senia na na menime nua shari betina ye ka say omo chiche mu lot by lot into e kwan baako 40 kilometers omo say ya ye no lot e bia 10. The idea ne say ye chemu na ma contractor bia nya bia eden aye but 40 kilometer road now what chemu into 4 lot now the 4 lot na asa ma nipa baako enti wo chemu sa eden na Nkwantabisa wo chemu sa eden dia sa ye hunu say sa 4 lot na chemu no e bia ebonko so first 10 kilometers e bia $17.6 million per kilometer. The next 10 kilometers no e bia 18 at didn't net sir.
Say be a honor bridges and be a honor.
Nana Nkwantabisa. Yeah, make a go see Nana say that's the crafty aspect of the TV now make no. Because you know what? So why you sir want me and Lutu and Anya Hray mind me and say anything for there. This is not the first time. Yeah, Supreme Court Judge Abakachire say you fairly be create, loot and share. What happened under JM1? They say put here and you create, loot and show. First they say you create, loot and take away.
Sorry.
Because any part you do contact more line or airdropper never pass member or more share from away.
Sorry.
Open kese dedi kamera wase. Na machia menua Salifu Musa ene ye me coordinator ba ko Nico omo nyina hwa me siabre sisi ene obi a hwa me bia de wasi e kana edom no etiase ni 1 de edikan the fourth estate ka say ye awarded contract mako 107 sa sama the fourth estate kan no kure bia anim no kure wo me ne say contract dodo a ye awarded under the big push project no 54 now even 54 no 23 a ewom aye contractor aye ye inherited from aye Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia administration now the utia ye did those contracts ne can the big push no say there was no clear cut proper funding for this particular project. Oh my brother, oh, so you incorporate onto the big push. Say there will be a designated funding for all these projects. Say say you inherit liability and what assets, and at the end of the day, there is one particular problem Ghanaians was say this particular government started project way back no so akwa starting it there is an error and I say I think na was here reset here say be ya Ghana for adwempo mo won say way back na we I want to aso no ye pese ye free wonte no ye de kan won say be ya by the end of the 4-year tenure of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no na all these projects ni yetimi ayede awi now the woman say so nya de ye bone and entia procurement mra a quite ben so na ubetimi I use to Ade your friend source. Maybe a procurement our university. When there is a time for emergency, you can source. When there is a time for emergency, you can source. Across the length and breadth of the nation, people are demonstrating assiduously over roads. Yes, cocoa farmers here now we come as a bebrene su so wo man kwaye wo mu krom afiri wo mu fom ba krom no sa kwan ni nyina nye ye nya kwan no nya den e ma omo so in entirety you cannot tag so sense aye ade bia aye bone ye huru kasem akwa oh senior of a club day and then the one bar and are you to organize ya wo pedi oh mesro die wo me say enti so ne nya de ya adebone and a pair the number of contract I table on the down no on 100 on the scale of 100% no just 44% of this particular contract was sourced. But the point in say the fourth estate here ya can was semi obia mo ankasa mo impugn the credibility to the essence and was so Johnny Kotino obi man so because say you had thought say he published a false information about your government. So the point of it all is say no listen say I resign on which particular portal so that no asema make an want them say on when the dasie why did na dasie when na here no. Who was the reporter? The reporter was the one who was at large and I will call baby Kobon who can say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on this particular reset agenda no is making sure say each and every contract or what whatsoever BN will go through the proper procurement processes. Say at the end of the day we will give Ghanaians the value for money. Near more quality assurance say with Jumedie so ye didia Ghana for no dream and the ketasese nya de bekoso wo baabia because we have said unequivocally it is Bepa Senior we have said unequivocally say Ghana still remains resolute Say be ya ye betimi abɔ mmɔden atoto no mama bibia aye brane.
That's it, Sheriff. Your fat here for 0548931931 now can tell me say ni baby. 0548931931 0551931931. Na yemfa etie for ewura mu sesi na mo so mfo ma adwenche enso mrane my not to comment me around commenting but hello good morning. Hello, good morning. Ogoro.
Senior.
Ogoro, it's your free Sompa.
Sompa TV, I feel Finyana, Mema Wabasomet, NDC, when you couldn't hear German Mama, Chancellor Communication Officer, Everett, and Medium Fichan. I'll make you say, Kupuku, the Boviamitia. Men call me some MPP phone count or Mokuman to me. What's prisoner in this Yapan, Agent Papa? Sila na minoka se sam to chikwanya afọ mfiri and the we push the roman na oba contractor was on moye so only some to brekum kwanya and a big push into some to brekum contractor go so wo yent mb before ade mobile man timanye no don't the man mama yent mum come on tum agi no so it papa don't the man mama after in class oba parliament obeje tum mb before when then tamu ko pedanta 2022 kona monya mapo bi fike oni nyamja juma
also ni nyamenya adwuma ogoro also dia bay so no hello good morning oh too bad went to mention so offer na ujina so hello good morning hello good morning open you ni baby free yaw yentio yeah, our voice in the way actually Eshim Kwame Eshim why minia. I think we have to find a lasting solution to this because at your phone yes I am very worried. Monfan chain I'm say ahumano mo ka say we chi anim behwe na o ma connect bibia enso ho e dia man. My annual birthday in Frio is very, very disturbing. Mempesa, irritating. Annual birthday in Frio and I pay happy birthday to my dearest Auntie Beatrice. Auntie Beatrice, happy birthday to you. Sewa, Auntie Beatrice Sewa, aka Endo B, businesswoman at Swami Market. We pray for God's protection. May God give you long life, prosperity, and good health. From Barbara Taylor of Sompa TV. And the entire also Seche family. Omse Omodo, Auntie, they are so proud of you. Omse Jabin for Dumukwa, Dumankwa Tinting. Ye, Auntie Munina, Auntie Sewa, Komamre. Omse Jamin Shabebre, Omodo, Auntie, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Madame Diana Derry. Madame Diana Derry at Techiman. We're free, Sir Raymond. Sir Raymond said that Yenina Fidi Casse so Emma Wadapa. Sir Yamisha Nene Dom Emma. Happy birthday, Auntie Diana. And a special birthday to Precious Brefo of Asman SDA. Asaman SDA Nursing and Midwifery College. On this special day, I thank God for your life and the blessings you are to me, as it is written in Jeremiah 29:11. May God continue to guide your steps, fill your heart with peace, and surround you with His unfailing love. With Rikache Obi of Sompa TV. Say birthday no ya chum quotation na. Yanko, happy birthday Happy birthday to Othniel Obeng Esiedu Kofi of Start Right International School, Accra. Othniel, happy birthday, champ. We ask God for his mercies. We ask God for his blessings. You are basic 3. We say God richly bless you. You being the first fruit of your parents. They say they love you. You are so dear to their heart. You say your mom say, my darling son from Abake and a husband, Mr. Stephen Kofi. We say happy birthday, darling son. Oh my no papa will feel you rough. Happy birthday to you, young champ. I feel last one in Somnianko. Happy birthday to Jerry Adam Aflabo. Happy birthday, champion, sir. Sir, today is your birthday. You are the regional manager for DVLA Ashanti Region. Papa, Papa, we are Jumani Diatinakumem. Happy birthday, manager. You say, I'm in Shannon Domau. Say, I'm so do befra Dumaqua Dum from Sompa TV, entire family, Sompa 93.1. Bawa, your senior reporter. So say happy birthday to you. On that note, thank you everyone. Kwame Nkwantabisa. Thank you so much for being with us. I'm ready to sports for Etanasino Masum. Me fan channel be Enkoma, Chief Inspector Boache, and I pay any Evans at the performance. Happy Manope Michemuna.